In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from using too much RAM and slowing down your PC. This is a real performance fix that's safe, simple, and works perfectly. First, open Google Chrome, and in the top right corner, click on the three dots, then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, look on the left sidebar and click System. Now turn off the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This small change instantly frees up memory and makes Chrome run smoother and faster. Next, disable Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turning this off prevents Chrome from putting too much load on your GPU, giving you a more stable and responsive browsing experience. And here's a quick bonus tip. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Remove any extensions you don't use. Fewer extensions mean faster speed and better stability. That's it. You've just optimized Google Chrome, reduced its RAM usage, and made your PC run lighter and faster. If this fix helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.